My thing's nervous. It's winning! Oh, I have to turn it side properly.
Are your snails escaping?
Yeah, the little one's trying to catch them. It's really fast. No one's trying to catch this big one.
You have to be very gentle with them, yeah? Let's see if he's come
The
out.
little one is the fastest.
Oh yes, he's the winner, isn't he?
He's winning. Oh no! He's losing now.
He's coming out. He's gonna be the winner. Do you like playing with snails?
I know the big one's got to catch it. There's two big ones in the team, and the little one is trying to catch them. The little one is winning. Hello, frog.
That's, yeah,
Toad.
we call it toad.
Can we eat our thing?
Yeah, idiot things. No?
More food. Can I forgot? It's my snail.
Zobrem.
And snails, yeah?
I'm gonna...
Oh,
Apa jaka rýchla, kurňa.
doesn't want to be caught. Look, don't step on it.
I take it back to their home.
Say bye, Toad.
Bye, Toad. Let's eat some more pizza.
Woo.
Okay. Let's eat some more biscuits.
Go and say bye-bye to Toad.
Bye-bye, Toad.
Here.
That Daddy took it home, yeah?
Oh.
Do your painting. Do your painting, Bob. Do your painting, Beppo.
Yes. I didn't paint that box, Rusty.
You're there. Baby's gone.
Baby's, yeah, it's gone, Rusty. Don't be scared.
Baby's gone. Baby is gone.
Yeah.